Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be looking at these lava slimes and ooze. These are made by, I want to say Schyllinv. I'm not really sure how to say that, but these are a fun brand. Saw these and I thought you guys might like a little review. Each one of these are £3 each. I think that's reasonably good value. The packaging is adorable. They do look like lava lamps, and they're so cute. So in this collection today, or in this review, we have 3 of the lava metallic slime ooze, and we have one of the jelly slime with glitter. This is all that they had at the store when I went to buy them. So let's get ahead with the first one. I'm going to take this one because this is a gorgeous color. So look at this jiggly slime that we have. So just to start off, again, just to review the packaging, I think the packaging, sorry guys, on this this slime is cute. I think it's adorable. It looks very much like a lava lamp, and if you move it up and down, you can see that we've got fun jiggly slime inside. We are getting, let's turn this around. We are getting 113 grams of net weight, which is awesome. So super cute, super adorable. Let's go ahead and remove the outer wrapper. Seems such a shame to take the wrapping off because the wrapping really made it stand out, but in order for us to get inside, that's exactly what we need to do. So this is what it looks like without the wrapper. You can see the amount of shimmer, hopefully, that we've got going on here. It is cute. I don't know how these open. Oh, okay. I think they open from the bottom. That's our little container. And then again, I think maybe this screws off. Okay, this just lifts off. I don't know what this black thing that we have going on inside, but I assume that it is part of the plastic. But look at the jiggliness that we have on this slime. This is so full of iridescent pigment. It is so cute. I'm going to just turn you guys around and pop you down so that you get a better view of what it's like. Sorry about all the camera moving. And this is what we have from our lava lamp. Ooh, that is so gooey and so nice. Big splat. Comes completely clean. We do have a little bit of our plastic right here. So I'm afraid you guys are going to fall. So I'm sorry I'm adjusting the camera. I just don't want you guys it to fall over. So first things first, this is quite a thick slime. It is quite a wet slime. As you can see, I have a lot of residue on my hands, but that does dry up. It is super jiggly. Look at this gorgeous metallic color. I mean, this is beautiful. I'm struggling to hold it. Oh, it does. It is breaking apart, but it is cute. It is adorable and super shimmery. Look at this gorgeous, whoa, look at the sheer amount of pigment that's inside this slime. It's not the best slime I've ever tried. It is very breaky. My fingers are going right through to my table. So it's not the best slime I've ever tried. For £3, £3 a container. I don't know if it's super worth it, but I really, really like this. Let's just pop this in. I really like the container, and I think it would be cute even if you were just to keep it to display. So we're going to pop this one right here, and hopefully this stays where I've put it. Probably not though. Let's go ahead and open our next one. Okay, this one is along the same lines as the first metallic. This is, let's get the wrapper off. But this is in a gorgeous lilac-y purple color. Still super cute and adorable, super jiggly. I don't know if you guys can actually see that, but it is actually super jiggly. Let's take our top off, and you get this. Ooh, it's almost spilling out. I'm going to try and hold it while I show you guys. Super pigmenty. Guys, what I'm actually going to do is pop this one back inside. I can't seem to contain it on my table. I will tell you the one thing I like about this jiggly slime. That was super easy. I'll tell you the one thing I do like about this jiggly slime, or these lava slimes, is that a lot of these jiggly slimes, once you've played with it and it breaks up into pieces, it does not go back together again. This one does. So that is amazing. Let's pour this out. Oh, nice satisfying splat. Look at the color of this. You can see that there are different colors. Here it's more a watery color with less pigment, and then here you're getting all of this gorgeous shimmer and pigment. It is not stretchy at all. It is very rippy. Let's see if we can get it to go back together. Hopefully this one does. Let's pick it up. Whoa, I can't even pick it up and show you guys. You can see there are two definite different tones where the pigment has mixed and the pigment has not mixed, but this is super fun. It is jelly-like. It does go back together, which is amazing. It's just wobbly and jiggly, super fun. Again, my fingers do go right through to the table, but I don't mind that sensation. It's actually quite fun. So wobbly. It does make my hands a little wet. There is residue on it, but I'm assuming this is because this is more of a water-based slime. I don't mind that at all. It is fun, super jiggly. Look at the jiggle. That is so much fun. And I like that I can poke it. And it's just given me a different type of texture. So that's fun. I don't mind that at all. Let's pop this all back into our container. These look like, these look a little bit like cocktails. When you're looking at them, they're a little bit cocktail-like. I'm just going to put the lid right on there and screw on our top. Is that how it goes on, screws or pushes? I'm not sure. This one isn't as easy as the last one. I assumed it was a screw on top, but I think it might be. This one isn't going on as well as the last one. I'm struggling a little bit to get that on, but oh, I wouldn't have been struggling to get it on had I have put it on the right way. So this is cute and fun. Let's look at the next one, which is this. I'm going to leave the jelly one to the last. It's this almost gold-like ooze. Again, you're getting the same amount of net product in the same packaging. This is just simply a different color. I don't know if they make this type of slime in different, well, if they make different types of slime other than the jelly slime and the like water slime. I'm really not sure, because this is, like I said at the start of the video, sorry guys, I'm just struggling to get the packaging off this one. This is all they had at the store when I went to buy them. I thought they looked fun. I thought they looked adorable, and I thought you guys might want to see them. I don't know if you guys have ever seen anything like this before or have bought it or like it. If you have, leave a comment in the comments below. I'm always interested in if you guys have seen things before me. If my comments are disabled, please go ahead to my Instagram. It's shishi3322 and leave a comment there. So let's open this one. This one is not so easy. There we go. Exactly the same consistency. It's what I expected. But it is super cute. Look how golden and shimmery this is. I mean, guys, you're getting so much shimmer, my hands are covered. I never get mad at that. I would rather have more shimmer than less. Well, we got that out in 2 bits, completely clean out of the packaging. I'm going to lift the small bit. Hopefully that's easier for me to show you guys. Look at the shimmer that we've got going on here. There is so much iridescence. It is adorable. This almost reminds me a little bit of, sorry guys, this almost reminds me a little bit of the, is it the Zuru slime that you can get. It's in the gold. It is super wobbly and super jelly, but the pigment is amazing. That's what I'm definitely getting from this. Look at this gold shimmer. That is gorgeous. This is so much fun to play with. It is jiggly. It does move around a bit, but it is super satisfying and super relaxing. Look at that. Wow. Look at all of those colors. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I really like that I can push my fingers right through this slime, and I am hitting the table, but I'm loving the sensation that I'm getting and the texture that I'm getting from being able to squish it really hard. I love the patterns that it's making. Don't mind the holes. Like I said before, it goes back into the same, it goes all back together. But look at this, super cute and adorable. I love it. And even though I'm getting the shimmer on my hands are a little wet. I'm not getting the slime. The slime is moving through my hands quite freely. So that is pretty awesome. Let's get you right back in there again. I didn't do that too well. Look at how pretty. That is so cute. Okay, now let's look at I'm just checking this one because I did put the last lid on wrong. That was super my fault. Nothing to do with the product, no fault there. This was definitely an end user fault, i.e. my fault. So let's go ahead and look at the last one that we have in this haul. We have this jelly slime, and this jelly slime has got glitter. All of the glitter is sitting to this side. Look at how cute that is. Again, we're getting the same amount of product. Is it 113 grams of net weight product, which I think is, I mean, that's reasonable for the £3 that we paid for this item. Guys, you can find these in a lot of different stores. I'm not going to mention them all, but these are readily available. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. Look at these gorgeous blue iridescent glitters we're getting here. It's almost like mermaid type. Let's see if we can pop the lid off. Oh, sorry for that big bang, people. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is super stretchy. We have some slime on our lid, which I'm going to take off. If you guys know my channel, you know that I have a slight OCD. I like to get all the slime off the lid. We are already pouring out. Look at this. Slow. Let's help it along a little bit. Look at how gorgeous this slime is. It is beautiful. Look at all of our glitter. That is adorable. I love that. I want to get all that slime out. I cannot get my finger down to the bottom of that, so we're going to take what we have. I'm going to show you guys. Look at the crystal clear clarity of this slime. It is beyond super stretchy. It is amazingly pokeable. It is quite a thick slime without being sticky and without being overly thick. It is, oh my gosh, look at how pretty. There is just enough glitter. Listen to those bubble pops. I am loving the pops. Guys, this is my favorite type of slime. I don't mind a water-based slime. I don't mind a jiggly slime. I don't mind a cloud slime, but this type of slime is absolutely my favorite because I am addicted to bubble pops. Look at how pretty this slime is. We are stretching this slime so much and we're getting little to no tear. Look at how cute. That is so beautiful. It's almost like being under the sea. And I think this is a ton of product. I think this is an amazing amount of product for the price point. I'm definitely not mad at that. I'm so happy with that. We're stretching for days. So guys, let's pull our little camera back and we'll just give you my final thoughts on our little slimes. So our green jiggly slime, I'm going to pull you guys over. Green jelly slime is amazing. Definitely my favorite. I'm going to pop that over there. This slime, look at the shapes. When I turn this slime back the right way, look at all the flow that we're getting from the lava lamp by turning it the other way around. That's adorable. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave any comments in the comments section below. And if you'd like to become a subscriber, hit that little subscribe button. Guys, thanks so much for watching my channel. Stay safe out there, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye guys. Bye.